Speech therapy at home for toddler and kids. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about speech therapy for toddlers and kids at home. As parents, it can be worrisome when your child is having difficulty communicating, but with some simple exercises and tips, you can help improve their speech right from the comfort of your own home. As a parent, you play a critical role in your child's language development. It can be worrisome when your child is having difficulty communicating, but with some simple exercises and tips, you can help improve their speech right from the comfort of your own home. If you are unsure where to start, do not worry. Today, we will be sharing some easy tips and exercises that you can do at home to help your child improve their speech and language skills. First thing to do is to identify the problem. Are they having trouble with specific sounds, or are they having trouble putting words together or even exhibits a reluctance to speak altogether? It is also possible that your child may make unusual sounds that do not resemble any recognizable language. Identifying the issue can help you tailor your exercises to their specific needs. Use simple language and repetition. When working with your child, it is important to use simple language. Speak slowly and clearly, using simple words and short sentences. This will help your child better understand what you are saying and make it easier for them to respond. Children also need to hear words and sounds multiple times in different contexts to fully understand and learn them. So, repeat words often and in different ways. Read books together. Reading together is a great way to help improve your child's speech. Choose books with simple sentences and clear illustrations. As you read, point to the pictures, and encourage your child to repeat the words. Sing songs and recite nursery rhymes. Singing songs and reciting nursery rhymes can also help improve your child's speech. Choose songs with simple lyrics and catchy tunes. Encourage your child to sing along with you and repeat the words. You can even make up your own songs using familiar tunes. Play games. Play is another fun way to promote language development. When playing with your child, use language to describe what you are doing, ask questions, and encourage your child to use words to express themselves. Try playing I Spy or Simon Says using simple language and encouraging your child to repeat what you say. Use visual aids. Visual aids, such as flashcards or picture books, can also be helpful in improving your child's speech. Choose pictures of objects or animals and encourage your child to say the name of each one. Practice, practice, practice. Finally, remember that practice makes perfect. Set aside some time each day to work with your child on their speech. The more you practice, the more comfortable they will become with speaking and communicating. That is it for today's video on speech therapy for toddlers and kids. Remember to be patient and consistent with your exercises, and do not be afraid to seek professional help if you feel your child needs it. Check on the link in description to find some speech therapy tools to help you. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.